Did you know that it's easy to start ABA therapy services with Rogue? In this short video, we will break down the steps. Your journey begins when you reach out. Our team sends a quick intake form to learn about your child's needs. Next, we'll ask for important documents like your child's autism evaluation and insurance info. Our billing team handles insurance approval, explaining any costs or payment plans. Want to chat before therapy starts? We offer an optional consultation to answer your questions. A BCBA completes a full assessment observing your child and speaking with you. We then design a personalized therapy plan with goals and weekly hours. Once approved, we assign a therapist and build a schedule that fits your family's availability. Before sessions begin, we meet with you to review the plan and complete consent forms. On the first day, we focus on comfort and connection, building rapport while collecting early progress data. Your BCBA checks progress, updates the plan, and keeps in touch to ensure your child's success. All your records are kept private and secure, following HIPAA regulations. A smooth start makes all the difference. Contact Rogue Behavior Services today, and let's begin your child's ABA journey together.